Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best track saws available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Bosch Tools track saw. In our tests, the Bosch track saw made the most cuts with the best efficiency. The group's easiest saw to use to engage the narrow rail on its track is this one. There's no need to fiddle with it to make it perfect. It moves smoothly. Even under stress, such as while cutting red oak or composite decking, the motor is comfortable. Because the cuts were clean and almost no tear out or blade marks were left in the work, there was no need to reduce the machine's variable speed. To keep rails safe on a building site or in a busy shop, it comes with 2 63-inch rails and a convenient carry case. It is unquestionably the best track saw for lengthy rips and crosscuts in deck building tasks thanks to the 126 inches of rail and the longest cord of any track saw we tested. With a decent, upright grip position, sensible switches, and unquestionably the most power, there was no vibration. At number 4 is the Kreg ACS 2000 Adaptive Cutting System Saw. It is simpler to see the saw and the rail when making a cut because there is only the Kreg track saw remaining in the group. Pushing the tool through a lengthy rip or crosscut is a little easier with the upright handle design than with more top-mounted handles. It features a fantastic carry bag, a lengthy, high-quality cable, and both. We wish every track saw had a dust bag, but this one even has one. Although each saw is prepared to be connected to a vacuum or dust collection, doing so isn't always practical or essential, for example, when cutting some door bottoms outside or making trim cuts in decking. It has a powerful electronic brake and a sumptuous soft start. Both the left side of the blade and the track have splinter guards. Both composite and oak presented resistance to the tool. Although reducing the tool from 6 to 4 reduced the burn marks it produced on the oak. It also made the cut take longer. The Kreg saw is intended to be a component of the brand's extensive worktable system for a shop where the track saw will be part of a system and the benches and tables won't be custom constructed. Top 3 at our list is the Evolution R185 CCSX 7 1/4 circular track saw. The Evolution saw offers a fresh perspective on the genre. This is a circular saw initially, even if it travels on a track, and is ideal for various carpentry tasks like enlarging a hollow core door. It just so happens to have a shoe that fits its screw-together, 40-inch track. Therefore, it is not a flaw that it left clean cuts and nearly nothing else. The occasional straight cut in finished stock is intended for use with this tool, although it is most effectively used for sizing metal roofing or cutting square tube steel, PVC pipe, or plastic roofing. It's full-on circ saw power rather than woodshop accuracy that is whisper quiet. The guard must be raised in order to engage the track and object being cut because it does not plunge. But it accomplishes what it is intended to achieve. Moving up at number 2 is the Makita SP6000J1 6/2 plunge circular saw. For all of your plunge cuts and rip cuts on and off the job site, the Makita SP6000J1 plunge cut track saw set gives you a reliable cutting system. It has a 12-amp motor driving a 6.5-inch blade that creates smooth, splinter-free mirror finishes on your material of choice. Additionally, it has a 55-inch guide rail along which the blade glides, giving you the ability to perform long rip cuts with the highest degree of accuracy. Magnesium is used in the construction of the body to reduce weight and make it simpler to carry for extended periods of time. Electronic speed control enables the blade to maintain a steady speed under load to provide results free of splinters. In addition, the Makita SP6000J1 has a variable speed control dial that allows you to change the speed between 2000 and 5200 RPM. And at number 1 is the FESTOOL TS55 Rec Plunge Cut Track Saw. FESTOOL's most sophisticated plunge cut saw to date is the TS55 Rec. It is their primary rip and cross-cutting tool. With a 6 1/4 inch blade, you can accurately make straight plunge cuts in hardwoods up to 2 1/8 inches thick. It has micro-adjustable depth controls that let you precisely modify the blade's depth settings to correspond with the cut you wish to create. You can easily flush cut against surrounding surfaces or walls thanks to a remarkably flat housing. The FESTOOL TS55 Rec track saw has a spring-loaded riving knife that keeps the cut kerf open to prevent binding and kickbacks. This keeps the material you're cutting from pulling back together and pinching the saw blade. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.